Hi again. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Docs to help you become a better writer and write great sentences, check your grammar, and give kind and helpful feedback to your classmates. Let's start with spelling and grammar suggestions. In Google Doc, you'll see something similar to this. Here will be what you have written, and these little sticky notes will help you identify what it is pointing out to be. For example, if a word is misspelled, it'll tell you that it's the wrong spelling. If you make any kind of punctuation mistake, it'll pull up a suggestion in a green sticky note for you. And for grammar, when your sentence is not complete or it's not written right, it'll suggest a sticky note in blue color. So like I have written here, red equals that you made a spelling, blue equals the grammar suggestion, and green is for the punctuation mistakes. And you can always double click the underline word and it'll help you get it right. So here's how you can comment on your Google Doc. So on my example, I have written here a few sentences, and the first one is, the girl is not crying. It has highlighted under the crying part. Now, when you will move on to the next section, and you will click on the crying part, you can provide a feedback, and it'll say, you can write on here, please add a period here. And it will fix the grammar for you, and it'll also leave a comment, like who left the comment. In this case, I left the comment and I had put in there, please add a period here. Make sure to be nice to your peers when you are giving feedback, because that's how, when you guys will provide each other with feedback, that's how you will become better writers. You can also track your progress while you're working in Google Docs. You can go to, under your document, you can go to File, Version History, and over here you see that there's a comment, and it'll tell you which sheet you were working on and who was working on it. So if you have other peers that are working on the same thing, it'll bring their name right here. The peer editing tips that I want to give you guys is check for the subject, verb, and object. Use the words from your vocabulary and read your sentence out loud and check and see if it makes sense to you. So, and always give a positive feedback and always be kind. Now, you're a writer. You know how to write subject verb agreement, subject verb object sentences, and you are ready to write your own sentences. You need to use Google Doc tools to check your work, and be sure to bring your notes or anything that you have question on tomorrow. Also, before class tomorrow, watch the first and this video, take notes, think about your favorite sentence, and we'll write together in class. See you soon.